Welcome to KKPBT Online Training by Vicky. Welcome back. Have you ever wondered why some AI tools just talk back to you, while others can do actual work on their own? Today, we are breaking down chat loops versus agent loops in simple terms. A chat loop is what most of us use daily with standard AI chatbots. You type a prompt, the AI reads it, gives an answer, and then completely stops. It sits idle, waiting for you to type the next message. It relies entirely on human interaction to move forward. An agent loop is totally different. Instead of stopping after one answer, the AI enters an automated cycle. It follows 4 continuous steps: analyze the situation, decide on an action, execute a tool, and observe the result. It repeats this cycle automatically until the job is complete. Let us look at a real-world coding example. Imagine a software engineer fixing a bug in a code repository. In a chat loop, the engineer must paste code snippets into the chat, ask for advice, copy the AI's response, edit the file, and run tests manually. In an agent loop, the AI autonomously opens the code files, runs terminal commands to test the code, edits the broken files, and verifies its own work until the bug is fixed. When should you use each? Chat loops are best for straightforward tasks like quick Q&A, writing emails, or summarizing text. Agent loops excel at complex, multi-step workflows like deep market research or automated software debugging. However, because agent loops act independently, they need strict safety controls. Developers set maximum step limits, restrict file permissions, and include human check-ins so the AI does not get stuck forever or make unauthorized changes. To wrap up, chat loops wait for your next prompt, while agent loops autonomously analyze, act, and learn until a goal is reached. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next breakdown. Please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.